Do you want to make a Christmas village on a budget? Check out what you can find at Dollar Tree to create a fun Christmas village that lights up. Hi, it's Fanny of Living Rich on a Budget. I help people save money without feeling deprived. In this video, I'm going to show you how I put together this Christmas village using things from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you the individual items, then I'm going to put it together, and I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's all lit up. And I'm also going to share how to get this Christmas village set if you can't find it at your local Dollar Tree. So let's get started. I went to Dollar Tree over 3 days and I found different things each time. This Christmas village set is called Cobblestone Corners. It has figurines, trees, houses, and different buildings. This was day 1. And this is day 2. Same store, but now they have more of the cafe and they have a truck with a trailer. This is the Cobblestone Suites and Treats. It's decorated like a gingerbread house. It's really cute, but it also has an ice cream cone on top. And let's look at all 4 sides of this building so you can see how cute it is and how they just went through all the effort decorating it all. Let's check out the church. And my daughter said, "Where's the cross?" There's no cross in this church. Oh well. Let's check out all the way around. There's stained glass windows and there's also a back door right there. It's super cute. I like how all the details in each building. And here's a fire station. There's 2 levels. There's a garage and it looks like a real fire station. Let's check out all the way around. There's a back door in this one too. And there's some, glue bits there too. Just letting you know it might not be perfect. Next we have the only house available in the set, which looks like a southern mansion. It's kind of cool because it has a balcony and you can see all the way around here. Lots of windows. And this is the Cobblestone Cafe. It's my favorite one of the set. I just like looking at a cafe all day, thinking about coffee or tea, sweet drinks. Super cute. Next we have Cobblestone Candy. I don't know why there's a second candy building, but here it is. This one's slightly different. You can see details of the bricks on the bottom. And this is the last building of the set. Next we have the figurines and other things that go with the set. There's 7 of them. This is the elf with a bridge. And this one is a man with firewood and a son and a wagon of firewood. And this third set is with a baker with bread and a woman with gifts and a Santa sign. Here we have the truck with a Christmas tree and a trailer, which is super cute. And then we have Santa's mail with Santa and a snowman. Next we have a Christmas tree, a man throwing snowball, and a woman with a baby. Lastly, we have a bench, a wooden bench with 2 lampposts. So they have these white and brown picket fences available, and each of the fences has a wreath on the door, the gate, and also has something to hold it up on both sides of the fence. And then when it's snowing there, so I found faux snow at Dollar Tree. It's kind of glittery and a little bit messy, but it completes a look. And here's the scene all put together, and I added the fake snow that's available at Dollar Tree. Here's a truck and a trailer that just made it to the candy store. Here are the mischievous elves and Santa, and they're at the Cobblestone Suites and Treats, and there's a baker there. And here's the center of town, and a man is having a snowball fight with Santa. Here's a lady carrying her baby in front of church. Another woman in front of Cobblestone Cafe. She just got some gifts. Here's a man and his son getting firewood in front of their house. Lastly, here's a fire station and it's nice and quiet here. These houses are battery powered. They come with a battery. If you look in the bottom, you pull the tab and turn the on button and it lights up. Here's a Cobblestone candy store, the Cobblestone Cafe, The Southern Mansion, the church all lit up. You can see the stained glass windows better. The Cobblestone Suites and Treats, and the fire station. Here's the scene all lit up and what it would look like at nighttime. And I kind of doubled up and got more than one house just to make it look more like a village. So I got like 4 houses and more cafes and more candy stores. So if you can't find the Christmas Village set in the store, you can find it online at dollartree.com. So let me show you what is included. There's 62 pieces. It's all for $32.50, and it's pretty cool because they are including the entire collection for one price, and they're not making you buy the individual items separately. Usually on their website, you have to buy like a minimum amount of a certain item to get it shipped. This year, they're including the entire collection all as one purchase. So check it out and get it while you can. Let me show you what was not included in my video and what I couldn't find in the store. So I couldn't find these flooring tiles. And I chose not to buy the trees. I bought other trees at Dollar Tree. Sounds funny. And there's another set of trees here, different colors. And the figurines, there's, I found 7 sets, but this one has 6 and it includes the firefighter, which I couldn't find in the store. And I also couldn't find the sign, the Welcome Cobblestone Corners sign. This is also included. It's the truck, the red truck with the Christmas tree and the trailer. This is not really to scale to the city. It's the village, I mean. It's a little bit bigger, but it's still very cute. And this is included in the collection. So if you want to buy this set, check out my link in the description below. I want to explain the different truck and trailer sets. The little one in front with the green trailer, that came in the figurine package. And that was only available in the store that I found. That's not online. And the truck with the red trailer behind it, the bigger one, that one comes to the collection online with the village, and it also lights up the truck and the trailer. And I just want to show you the scale. Like, it's so much, like, it doesn't look like it fits with the buildings. So I hope you found this helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.